Good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Touchscreen and Wireless Zigbee based Advanced E-Menu Display Ordering System for Restaurants. So in this project I was used three modules. One is consist of an node 1 called table 1 80 mega 32 microcontroller, power supply, 4-wire resistive touchscreen and 128 x 64 graphical LCD and one Zigbee module. The data will be displayed onto the billing section, and I was used one RFID module. So we have to pay the amount through our swipe card called our debit card or a credit card. So this is consist of in module 1. Module 1 we are using an 4-wire resistive touchscreen along with the graphical LCD, 128 x 64 graphical LCD, and this is an 80 mega 32 microcontroller, and we are used in MAX 232 IC. So we are using an one Zigbee module and one RFID module. So this entire section consists of an table 1. At the same time we are using another module that is called table 2. So in this also table 2 we are using an touchscreen as well as the graphical LCD, microcontroller and the Zigbee module. So let us coming into the receiver section. So we are using an Zigbee module receiver. So that is called in billing section. So it was connected to the hyperterminal tool. So we are using an hyperterminal software which was designed by the XP operating system. Start, program, accessories, communication, hyperterminal. So I have a short icon is there. So we are going to display the data on here. So let us I am going into the software part. So I will explain in an individual component. So I was used one transformer, it's a step down transformer, 230 input, 9 volts output AC, and that was connected to the RFID module along with the same microcontroller in it. Here the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor and one 7805 regulator. So most digital logic circuits and processors need 5 volts power supply. So that's why we designed 5 volts power supply in it. So this is one switch is there, one is on off toggle switch. When it is on, the LCD should be on. Touch screen based ordering system. So here I was used an 80 mega 32 microcontroller having 40 pin IC, total 4 port A, port B, port C and port D. Total 4 ports. Each port consists of 88 pin, total 32 input bidirectional. So port A I am using an ADC. That ADC is connected to the 4-wire resistive touchscreen. Depending upon the pressing the touchscreen, that according to the resistor voltage will be changed. When the voltage will be changing or in the form of analog, that should be converted into the digital format and that should be given to the microcontroller. So here we are using an GLCD display, 128 x 64 graphical LCD. So it can display the characters as well as the alphanumeric number as well as the images. So we are using one fast LCD display to design this entire section. So one is for the one is for the non-veg, another one is the veg, this is for the cool drink and this is for the cokes, nothing but cool drinks. So when in that we are designing these entire tools. So we have an each page consists of an individual pages or next page like that we designed everything. So chicken biryani, mutton biryani, fish fry. So when I want to press the fresh fish fry, you are selected a fish fry. So the data which we are going to send, if you want to confirm, so I confirm, so you can send it to the order dispatch unit. So the graphical LCD, here we are using one MAX 232 level converter voltage level stabilization IC. So here we are using one LM1117 fixed 3.3 volts regulator for the Zigbee module in it. and here we are using 116 MHz crystal. This is the heart of the circuit from the controller to generate the clock pulses to the internal CPU. If I want to restart the switch, press the switch, the program will be restarted. So when I want to when I want to give the bill, so I want to give the RFID code to this one, that bill will be received. Okay, so when the amount when the data is selected, so the person is coming, they selected the item. After this confirmation, so if you want to press the confirmation, the confirmation is sending to the main station. So if you are not going to take any data, you want to restart it. Otherwise, if you are going home, it will be displayed like a home page. So this is an entire section. This is called as an table 1. So at the same time, we also same to same kit, that is in table 2. So that students is given like that only. We display the two tables, and one is the billing section. In this billing section, we are displaying the data on the page, like touch screen based wireless Zigbee ordering advanced e-menu display ordering system. So table 1 items are selected. Fish fry, I was selected the fish fry only. Then anything was I was not selected. So I will show you the how the process is going on. So I will select the table 1. Okay, after that the table 2. Okay, I will go for the execution mode. So see carefully. So I want to restart this kit. When the kit is restarted, you have to get the data onto the hyperterminal. Like okay, like. So first one is the non-veg, second one is the veg, and third one is the coke, ice creams, and fourth one is the cokes, drinks. So first I want to select the that depends upon you. I am going for the non-veg items. Okay, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, fish fry, France fry. So I am selecting the France is selected. So I want to go for the only veg items. My friend's purpose, I am going for the veg items. So I am fetching for the veg. It will be display the veg biryani, manchuria, palak paneer, and dal. Tell me. So I am going for the veg Manchuria. Manchuria is selected. So I am going for the my child is want to know ice cream. So I am going for the ice cream. Sorry. So back. I'm going for the chocolate, vanilla, butterscotch, strawberry. My child likes strawberry. Strawberry is selected. So what are the items we are selected? One is the France. Another one is the Manchuria. Third one is the strawberry. And fourth one I am going for my so Sprite, Tums, Fanta, Maaza. So I am going to select the Maaza. So I want to dispatch that data onto the hyperterminal. See, I am confirming in the order. So the confirmation is there. So I am confirming the order. Your order is confirmed. So the order is selected here only. That the table 1 I was said France curry, right? Manchuria, right? Maaza, right? Strawberry, right? So we selected these are the items on the table 1. So I want to pay the amount through my credit card or the debit card using an swapping. So when we are going to swap, so we given a switch like it's an interrupt based switch. When we are going for the interrupt, I want to your order is your amount is paid through RFID tag. So I am going to give the amount. Like that your amount is paid. After that we will go for the second one. So here we are going for the second, that is called the table 2. In also we are on the power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, power supply. So I am going for the order, touch screen based tabling system. So it was displayed touch screen. So I am going to select through my hand also. Okay, one is for the non-veg, another one is the veg. Okay, so I am going to select non-veg items, veg items. So veg biryani. I am going for the main menu. Now veg items. So palak paneer, right? Palak paneer. So non-veg items, fish fry. So I want to select the fish fry along with the non-veg items. So I am not interested in non-veg items. I am going for the main menu, home page. So I will go for the home page. Yes, it will be displayed home page. So after I am going for the ice creams, vanilla. Yeah, okay. So after the confirmation, so when I want to give the confirm button, your order is confirmed. Your order, table 2 items are selected. Table 2 all items are selected. One is I was selected the fish fry and palak paneer. No cool drink items are selected. Vanilla 70. So your order is amounted through your order, the amount paying through, and your RFID credit card or the debit card, which was the amount is credited. And this entire section is called modern restaurant ordering system with e-menu display unit. So I was designed the 3 units, table 1, table 2, table 3, and the table 3 I am using in billing section. In this billing section we will use the VB software tool to display that good pages also. So after the paying the amount, we will get the SMS also through your amount is detected somewhat. So like that we will get the amount also. So first I will source. So if there is any doubt and if you are enhancing this project, let me know to SVS Embedded.